Having a kitchen stocked with fresh fruits and vegetables is one of the great benefits from a trip to your local farmer's market. But if they aren't stored properly, they can spoil prematurely and become waste. This could happen to you! In order to keep your produce optimally fresh and prevent spoilage, follow these basic storage tips. Experts still disagree if washing produce is beneficial or actually speeds up spoiling. If you choose to wash produce before you store it, make sure it is thoroughly dried. If you choose to store without washing, try to rub or brush off any garden dirt, but never wash berries until they are ready to be eaten. Grapes really reach their prime in mid-August and stick around the farmer's market until late October in Pennsylvania. They're a perfect snack or dessert to just have on hand. Grapes, along with berries and cherries, should be refrigerated, and they usually last for 3 to 5 days. Beans have a great growing season in Pennsylvania. From late June to early October, they can be used in salads, casseroles, you can steam them or bake them or just eat them raw. Green or yellow, they're a wonderful thing to have in the fridge. Beans will last 3 days in the fridge, along with broccoli, Brussels sprouts, sweet corn, eggplants, peas, and summer squash.
Some of the hardier produce that can be grown until later in the season will last for 1 to 2 weeks if refrigerated. These include beets, carrots, cabbage, lettuce, peppers, and those great white flesh turnips that are perfect for stews and soups when the fall weather turns colder. Certain produce is better off being stored on the countertop, but remember to store them away from direct sunlight. This includes basil, garlic, watermelon, onions, potatoes, squashes, and tomatoes. Pennsylvania is known for fantastic apples of numerous varieties. They have great colors, from shades of red and green to vibrant yellows. They could be stored in either the refrigerator or at room temperature. When stored at room temp, they will last up to 1 week. When stored in the refrigerator, their shelf life will be prolonged, but they should be kept separate from other fruits and vegetables. Melons, plums, peaches, and pears all look very tasty sitting on countertops, but once they become ripe, they should be relocated in the refrigerator to make them last another 3 to 4 days. Correct storage can keep the produce from the farmer's market staying tastier for longer. Make or print off a helpful chart to keep around the kitchen as a reminder of how to store it all. Get more bang for your buck and store your produce correctly.